Hi, welcome to the last part of Unit 2 Part 6 of Pathophysiology practice questions. Let's go. Which of the following best describes cell-mediated immunity? A. It involves cells that mature in the bone marrow. B. It involves the direct action of activated T cells. C. It relies on antigen-specific antibodies. D. It relies on antigen-specific antibodies. It is primarily mediated by B cells. 5 seconds. Correct answer. B. It involves the direct action of activated T cells. Cell-mediated immunity primarily involves T cells, a type of white blood cell, that directly attack and destroy infected cells, rather than relying on antibodies. This is distinct from humoral immunity, which is mediated by B cells and involves the production of antibodies. A patient is in the resistance stage of the general adaptation syndrome. Which of the following hormones is most likely to be elevated? A. Insulin. B. Estrogen. C. Cortisol. D. Melatonin. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Cortisol. During the resistance stage, cortisol levels remain elevated to help the body cope with the prolonged stress. Which of the following is an example of a parasitic infection? A. Influenza. B. Malaria. C. Tuberculosis. D. Ringworm. 5 seconds. Correct answer. B. Malaria. Malaria is caused by a parasite transmitted by mosquitoes. Why the other options are wrong? Influenza is viral. Tuberculosis is bacterial. Ringworm is fungal. Which of the following statements about viruses is true? A. Viruses can reproduce independently outside host cells. B. Viruses contain both DNA and RNA simultaneously. C. Viruses rely on host cells to replicate. D. Viruses are large enough to be seen with a light microscope. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Viruses rely on host cells to replicate. Viruses must infect host cells to replicate. What is the main difference between acute and chronic inflammation? A. Acute inflammation is always more severe. B. Acute inflammation resolves quickly, while chronic inflammation persists longer. C. Chronic inflammation is caused by bacteria, while acute inflammation is caused by viruses. D. Acute inflammation involves only local symptoms, while chronic inflammation involves only systemic symptoms. 5 seconds. Correct answer. B. Acute inflammation resolves quickly, while chronic inflammation persists longer. Congratulations! Well done on completing Unit 2. Up next, it's time for the review of Unit 3. This unit focuses on carcinoma, cancer, tumors, and malignancy. I'll see you there.